Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for ESE mains civil engineering step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and detailed syllabus. A deep understanding of core concepts is crucial for success. Identify high-scoring subjects and those where you feel most confident to allocate your study time effectively. This foundational step ensures you build a robust preparation strategy from the very beginning, setting you up for a successful journey. Develop a well-organized study schedule, dedicating specific hours to each subject. Rely on widely recommended textbooks and reliable online resources for comprehensive coverage. Regular practice in answer writing is paramount. Aim to write at least 2 full answers daily. This helps you articulate complex ideas clearly and within the word limits, which is essential for scoring well in the subjective papers. Solving at least 10 years of previous question papers is non-negotiable for understanding question patterns and important topics. Participate in mock test series consistently to simulate exam conditions and manage your time effectively. After each test, meticulously analyze your performance, pinpointing areas that require more attention. This iterative process of practice and analysis will significantly enhance your problem-solving speed and accuracy. Maintaining your physical and mental well-being throughout this rigorous preparation is vital. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night and consume nutritious meals. Integrate short, refreshing breaks and some form of physical activity into your daily routine. A positive mindset and effective stress management techniques, like meditation, will keep you focused and motivated, ensuring peak performance on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.